Are plans to rebuild and widen parts of Western Reserve Road, undermining efforts to revitalize downtown Youngstown. That's the belief of leaders with a group known as Defend Youngstown. Western Reserve is set for change over the next several years between South Avenue and Hitchcock Road. Defend Youngstown is worried about the long-range effects as this area sees more growth and development.
I think it's about 20 years from now, and what impact that decision is going to have on, let's say, North Boardman, and continue to impact other communities like Struthers and Campbell and Youngstown, who are doing all they can right now to try to rebuild those communities.
Phil Kidd claims that other big communities, including Cleveland, are backing off on projects like this in their suburbs to allow the inner cities to revitalize themselves.